आप पहले बताइए कि किस तरह से वो रिलेवेंट है यूपीएससी के जो एस्पिरेंट्स हैं उनके लिए।
Ma'am, it is a very relevant topic for UPSC aspirants. Basically, Indian nationalism, जो इंडिया का nationalism है, वो एक लंबा पीरियड है और पीरियड में नेशनलिज्म और नोशन ऑफ नेशनलिज्म बदलता गया है इंडिया में, राइट। जब वो आप देखेंगे मॉडरेट फेज है एक, जब सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी लिख रहे हैं नेशन इन मेकिंग किताब, तब वो एक अलग फेज था। उसके बाद एक्सट्रीमिज्म फेज आया, जब वो कंटेस्टेड आइडिया हो गया नेशन क्या होगा। फिर जब गांधीयन एज आता है तो गांधी का अलग नोशन है नेशन के लिए। उसके बाद गांधी कंटेस्ट करते हैं, राइट, और कहते हैं कि गांधी जी मेरा देश कौन सा है, और वो बहिष्कृत भारत की बात करते हैं कि हमारा जो भारत है उसमें हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं, where are the depressed classes within the notion of nation you are proposing, Gandhi ji, right? So there are many voices of nationalism in Indian movement. There's not one single homogeneous story of notion of nationalism. The various vision of nationalism, right? The dominant way of notion of nationalism was actually जो उस वक्त था वो एक्चुअली जो रूप लिया था जो रिलीजियस नेशनलिज्म का, राइट। जो पाकिस्तान का हमारा देश डिवाइड हो गया, दैट डिवीजन वाज बेसिस ऑन रिलीजन, बट डिस्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट ऑफ रिलीजन वाज डोमिनेटेड एंड दैट वाज द वर्स्ट फेज ऑफ इंडियन कम्युनलिज्म, द कांग्रेस मैनेज्ड टू हैव अ कंपोजिट नोशन ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन द पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया। बट वी सी जब 1980 के बाद से जब एक अलग सा rise of Hindu nationalism we all witnessing, and within there's a one idea called new idea of India.
After probably Napoleon, after Napoleon it spread in other part of Europe, and then again it came to India, due to which our basic freedom movement got a new picture. And definitely today on it's 2nd of October, and on that if we miss view of Gandhi ji, and that will be not right. While researching on this topic and reading more and more, today I also one idea I had always been thinking about Gandhi's thought on giving Pakistan 55 crores rupees at that time. This decision or this suggestion of Gandhi ji always haunted me as well. But while reading today about Gandhi's idea of nationalism, that actually made me realize what thought is different for different people. For Gandhi ji, nationalism was humanity. Humanity had to served by nation. People were not above a nation. That it was the nation which had to take care of its people, and the nation had to take care of every entity coming out of it. So Gandhi ji basically supported giving 55 crore rupees to Pakistan, and this was the larger cause, or I think larger practice of nationalism. Moreover,
and you must be preparing for your exams on this topic of nationalism, which, as my previous both speakers have very nicely pointed out, is a question of very great importance. And Tushar ji also pointed about 55 crores and tried to relate it to nationalism. I'll come to that in the second phase. But I think first I will begin with that nationalism itself has been a evolving concept, and its relation, इसका संबंध जो है समाज रचना से भी होता है. This I want to clarify mainly because many a times people try to relate it to too much ancient period. Now, there are some geographical zones, there are some linguistic zones which can be called a particular area. But nationalism, or more particularly nation state is particularly a modern concept which begins after the French Revolution and the industrialization. So first, very simply speaking, I must say that human society is not static. It is constantly changing its methods of production and methods of organization. When I mean methods of organization, I mean, for example, in the very initial period, शुरुआत में हम लोग hunter food gatherer थे, tribes थे, there were tribes, right? And that cannot be called a nation by any stretch of imagination. उसके बाद अगर आप देखें तो then we became what we call pastoral society, that you are taking care of cattle. Cattle is your primary source of life.